Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 16th of April 1917, Vladimir Lenin arrived back in Russia after a decade of self-imposed exile. Lenin, the leader of the Bolshevik Party, had left Russia in 1907 after Tsar Nicholas II cancelled many of the reforms that he had promised following the 1905 revolution. Whilst abroad, Lenin remained busy organising Bolshevik groups and publishing Marxist works, but following the February Revolution and the abdication of the Tsar in 1917, he began making plans to return to Russia. The country had been weakened by the exhausting toll of the First World War, and this, combined with disastrous food shortages, had prompted a popular revolt that had overthrown the Tsar. In his place, the Provisional Government ruled the country, and they opted to continue the war effort, despite strong opposition from the Russian people. German officials were keen to further destabilise the situation. Despite being at war, Lenin and other Bolshevik exiles were therefore granted permission to return to Russia from Switzerland through Germany in what's known as a sealed train. This meant that Lenin and his companions were never legally recognised as ever having been in Germany. The group then took a ferry to Sweden, followed by a second train to Finland, arriving at Finland Station in Petrograd on the 16th of April. The next day, Lenin published the April Theses, in which he denounced both the Provisional Government and the First World War, and said that Russia was passing from the first stage of the revolution to its second stage, which must place power in the hands of the proletariat and the poorest sections of the peasants. Less than 7 months later, the Bolsheviks overthrew the Provisional Government in the October Revolution.